Here it is, the middle of December, and we're planning our next season's boating and how we're going to do it. I know. We just saw Ophelia out running on the water like she's at a ride at an amusement park. And here we are, we're going to do a quick walkthrough tour. She's a 2003, well-powered with 6.2 MPI engines, Bravo 3 drives, has a new enclosure, luxurious interior, sleeps 6 in comfort, just a very well-built boat. So come with me for a preview walkthrough on Ophelia here at South Mountain Yachts. We saw this boat out running, so now let's take a closer look at Ophelia. Starting off forward starboard bow, we see we've got the spotlight, windlass with both foot pedals and remote control at the helm. Notice our custom cleats on this formula, and an upgrade is those nighttime docking lights down below. Coming down along the side, we see we've got an oversized tubular 316 stainless steel rail with fender baskets right there. This foredeck is what I call an LLI. Ladies like it feature. You can have a pad made and just lay out on there. Just imagine the beauties that you'll attract with this vessel. Coming down along the side, we see we have the Taylor curved windshield wipers, and then wing windows here to bring air into the cockpit. If you notice, we have a new Macrolon hard windows which remain clear for a long time. Got a new bimini here at the radar arch. We've got our Raymarine antenna, TV antenna, VHF, and for a little bit of sportiness, we've added a couple additional rod holders. There's our Formula Thunderbird badge right there. These are great boats. Now, as we're circling around here at the transom, we see the name off on starboard. We have our shore power connections, city water take-on, and engine flush. Right here we have our 3-step boarding ladder and a couple grab rails to help us hoist ourselves out of the water. It's pretty clear today. We've got our Bravo 3 drives nice and clean there. This is going to give us a quick view of the port side, and you can see she looks just as nice on this side as she does on the other. We easily board this vessel on this molded-in platform, and immediately upon entryway we have our hot and cold shower. Moving forward, we've got a molded-in step there, so we can easily go down the side right there to access the bow. In front of us we have our ice maker. There's storage below, and we've got our stainless steel basin there. As we move forward, we see we've got more well-padded seating here, big enough for 2 in comfort. Note on those gas-assisted shocks how easily she opens. We've got a large storage area here for all sorts of gear. Now, it is finished fiberglass gel coat, so it's easy to care for, easy to clean. Circling aft, we have our U-shaped seating area here. Those seats do collapse into the transom if you want more open deck space. These 2 tables can be put up individually or separate, and there's pads So when it's in a lower position, you've got a great sun pad to lay out on. Moving forward, up one step, we have our double wide helm seats right here. And again, note the cup holders built right in there. Headrests, very well padded. Formula has these split seats, which can be lowered as such for use as a bolster. Our dash is a gray gel coat to reduce glare on the eyes. Just makes a day in the sun that much easier. This would be your view if you were driving, and in front of us we've got the compass. All of our gauges are here now. Most of them have been replaced. Our hour meters are showing 980 and 990 hours. We've got our Raymarine chart plotter radar there. And then down below, our VHF, our stereo controls, leather wrapped padded steering wheel. There's that wing window to allow air into the cockpit, and our Lavorsi racing style shift and throttles. From here, let's go inside. We enter the cabin through the centerline sliding door and down a few steps. In front of us, we have an overview of the interior. We've got sculpted carpet. The headliner and sofas are all an ultra leather material. Once inside the vessel, immediately on our left or port, we have a fully lined fiberglass head with a shower curtain, vanity. Now it is a wet head, but it's easy to care for, easy to clean. As we move forward, notice how neat and clean we've got our cabinets, Corian style countertop, and cabinets down below. This owner never uses the stove. But it looks like he enjoys beverages, so he has a wine cooler there. Looking forward, we have a slant bed. It's over 7 feet long with storage below. Now, if you note off in the corner, there's a step to make getting in that much easier. We've got a mirrored hanging locker, and of course, a privacy curtain. As we circle around, we see our U-shaped dinette, which also becomes a sleeping area. There's an air conditioning unit right up underneath. As we move aft, we have our power panel right here. We can start our generator, control all of our power right from there. And again, we've got a nice mid-cabin here with, again, a privacy curtain and lots of room. And as you can see, it's a great place to store some padding. Ophelia is well powered with twin 6.2 Merc Cruiser engines and a Bravo 3 outdrives. Viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain Yachts.